SQL Star has been present in Singapore for 15 years, and we were one of the early adopters of Android, and our engineers contributed to the Google Android kernel development. And we specialize in enterprise solutions. Having said that, we have seen some amazing stuff today, right from Yu Kuan to Mr. Colin. Amazing innovations and very exciting stuff. And this shows that it's not just mobile alone, it goes beyond mobile. Yu Kuan had a very clear definition about what open means and what innovation means. And nobody than these guys, Google, have profiled you and me. They are getting deeper and deeper inside the skin. They know everything about you and me. And this makes an interesting story, be it in social networking, like one of the demos where he said your favorite choice of hotel, and his friend or her friend giving a suggestion whether it's good or not, to how this mobile revolution, and why are developers moving more and more into Android space, and why is the increasing market share of Android? I will let you know. We have seen some amazing statistics. I'll start in a similar fashion. That visual speaks for itself. Yeah, it shows that Symbian had been up at the pole stage, but slowly and very increasingly, Android is taking over. And the current trend is 16% market share. By 2014, they expect it to be 30%. And the reason for why this platform, you and me want to make money, and since we are quite a household name when it comes to SQL Star back in India. For 25 years, we started off life as a training house, and we continue to do so. And we have seen the full cycle of it, from training to developing enterprise solutions, where some of the today's CEOs, CXOs are from our school of, they went through us. So what I'm trying to say is, why Android? Yeah, I want to have the biggest chunk of market share, and I want to make revenues. And believe me, we started this Android training in partnership with Singapore IT Federation under IDA CITRIP approval program, where 80% grants are available. Engineers from different industries, right from Intel, STMicro, they all come to us. And you know what? And they want to know even a lot of adoption, especially in the school, college going students, polys, and there's a lot of excitement. Even large organizations like Motorola have done workshops. But there is amazing thing that we are trying to do in helping these youngsters. A lot of ideating, yeah, but today Singapore government has lots of micro funding that we want to identify the right talent, see that this ideation takes shape in developing this enterprise solution, and develop that entrepreneurial talent within the student community here. Having said that, I've been a delegate in the recent Mobile Health Congress, World Mobile Health Congress, and even there, Android mobile enterprise solutions is increasingly taking up a leading role, just because of the cost factor and also some amazing stability that the recent versions of Android has brought in. And tomorrow, with the gingerbread version, it is going to hit the financial world where you can do your mobile payments as well. Having said that, yeah, I would leave it to my colleague who heads the Android division for us, Mr. Bharati, to do a couple of demos that he has for you.
Good afternoon. We have chosen few applications which might be interesting to all. One from healthcare, another one is from barcode scanning, another one is from the remote control. Okay, so we'll try to see one by one. So this is a small healthcare application, basically to monitor your own personal health. This application will help you to track where you're going, basically exercise, the track on which you are going. I'll just show a few tracks which already have gone through that. So this is the one which I traveled today morning. So this shows the track and how much time I spent on the track. You can see on the right hand side, and the distance that traveled, and the speed at which I traveled. And I can also see the whole statistics. Sorry. The traveling speed. So all intermediate drops are like signals where I have to wait. But normally doctors will recommend that you should not stop in the middle. You have to walk, keep on walking. You should not reduce your speed. Might be this will give an indication that I need to change my track. I need to go on a different track. So, and the calories which I spend on the exercise. So everything will be recorded, and you can keep it on monthly basis. You can verify. Okay, so you can track how your exercise is going on. Okay, so there are a number of other settings are there where you can mix your basically you can play your playlist along your exercise, so that when you start your exercise, automatically your playlist will be selected and it will be playing, so that you can listen your favorite musics on the move.
Increasingly, the world is moving into wellness. People no more want to go to the hospital. In fact, the Swedish government has decided to stop building any more hospitals. It's personal wellness and care that is of greater importance. And that's where this particular application will help you to keep check of your cardio, and similarly, blood pressure. You take a history of that, send it across to your doctors. So these kind of enterprise applications are finding more and more advent in today's world.
The next application is basically augmented reality application. Already one of our friends showed about Layer. This another one is called Wikitude. So here there are a set of world points already available. World points are basically a simple information with geotagged information, so that you can put the information onto the map or onto the video which you are taking on the current situation. So I can't show the video because I have to turn my device. I'll show the map. I have selected many things. This shows my current location, and I can see Orchard, Mandarin Orchard. There are a number of other meetup points. There are a number of basically the world points are coming from different sources like Flickr or Tweet or meetup sites, where all the informations are available with the geotag informations. So a simple meetup event, it's already posted. The application knows my current position and also knows the direction which I'm pointing to the device. So from that direction, whatever informations are already available on the world points is collecting it and showing it on top of the video. So I can see which one is interested to me. And similarly, not only the events, you can also put up data about the specific places like hotel and other things. I quickly move on to the another one.
While is on to the next one, a lot of companies have approached us with their tablet PCs. They want to try porting Android. And today we also want to see how we can help these local industries, especially in the embedded side, in automotive setup boxes. Singapore is coming up with a fat optic fiber. It is going to be in everyone's house sooner or later. And that is when increasingly a lot of content can be pushed. And right from, like my wife would love to host some of her Indian dishes and put it on the cloud. And yeah, why not? So we are doing some R&D works in terms of integrating and improving on the setup boxes, industry automation machines, and so on.
There's the one a friend already showed about application which detect the logo and show the information about this. So here, this is the one small application. This application is an open source application. Basically, you can take this library and integrate with your application. Suppose if you are developing something like this. So this is basically a QR code, basically the 2D barcode. So you can put multiple information into this, basically your name card information or a calendar event or a SMS message. The one which I created is a simple SMS message. Suppose this, you can create this QR code and you can put into the flyers or advertisement. And whenever a person goes through the advertisement, they can use this mobile and just take the information, whatever is available on the QR code. They don't need to type anything. So simply, I just go to the page where the Google Think Mobile event information is there. So I just scan it. I got the information. I just say send SMS. Okay. So the SMS is gone. So I can simply put this kind of logos into this into the barcodes into the advertisements. People can use it just like that. They don't need to type anything. So there are a number of other things, like you can create a number of profiles. The QR code support a number of profiles like calendar events, even Wi-Fi points. There are a number of profiles are available. You can quickly create simple logos and simple barcodes and include in your advertisements or event note, anything, whatever it is.
I believe this application is also advertised there, mobile coupon. And
Yeah,
Vaisak is my colleague, so did you receive the SMS? Okay, thank you.
So the next one is the security. On the mobile phone, the security is another issue. There are a number of security applications are there. This one is somewhat simple to use, so I just selected this. So one of the biggest security security risk is within our family. When you give the phone to your son or daughter where they play, rigorously playing the games, suddenly they may send some SMS or they may make a call. So that is the first protection which we need to give. So already this application itself is protected because okay, so this application will list all the application which is installed on your mobile, and you can choose which one you want to lock. So basically, if I don't want to give this mobile to my son, I can simply lock the Angry Bird. So he will become angry, but anyway, there's no point. So, and password, it's password protected. So whenever he is trying to use this particular application, say now I lock this specific game. So if I go to this, so it'll ask me for password. So I have to give the password to unlock. Then only the application will start. So these kind of simple applications, simple protection is there. Apart from that, there are other features which is supported by this application is the remote locking. If you lost your mobile, you want to lock the particular mobile. So there are simple SMS-based techniques are available. So that techniques will help you to lock this mobile. So remote locker. So I need to provide. Okay. So sorry. There are a number of options. Lock this phone by SMS. So whenever you lost a SMS, you can send SMS to this mobile. The application will automatically lock it. Or whenever a SIM is removed, so that time also you can lock. There are a number of options are there. So, and threat detector is basically to check all the application installed on your mobile and see is anything improper or anything is malicious.
He's at it. One more area where a lot of Android is making inroads is especially in the education sector. We see a lot of our kids carrying a lot of books and bags, so we want to do away with that, and we want to provide some easy, cheaper gadgets like a tablet PC with already preloaded stuff inside it, like right from your nursery rhymes to primary education stuff. And this is one area a lot of work is happening, and we have seen a lot of OEMs approach us to see the feasibility of porting Android, optimizing it at the device level, and so on. Thank you.